name is Amundala Mulolwa, and today we are going to solve a quadratic equation using the method called completing the square. The AM age group is key stage 4. So basically, completing a square is transforming a quadratic equation of form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to a form of a time in bracket x plus d both square plus e is equal to 0. So we start by using the general form of equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the first step, we need to have the coefficient of x squared is equal to 1, but then we have to divide the whole equation by a. So we have the equation that will look as follows. So the second move will be separating the element with x on one side and the numbers on the other side. And then we have the equation as shown here. So the third step will be completing the square itself. So we know that x plus d both squared is equal to x squared plus d 2dx plus d squared. So comparing this form to our equation, we easily see that 2d will be equal to b over a. Then d will be b over 2a, and d squared will be b squared over 4a squared. So this is the form that we are looking to complete our square. So we'll introduce it in our equation, and we have it here. So to keep the equation unchanged, we need to have this d square value on both sides. So that's why, and here. So the next step will be introducing the square root, because we need to find the values of x, and then we have x squared, x plus d both squared is equal to e. Then square root of d plus x both squared is equal to plus minus square root of e. Then x plus d will be equal to plus minus square root of e. Means that x will be minus d plus minus square root of e. And from here we can find the value of x easily. So to go further, we're going to use a practical example using the equation that I chose, that is 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. The first step, we divide the whole equation by the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, and then our equation will look as follows. Second step, we need to separate the element with x on one side and those without x on the second side, and then the equation will look as follows. We know that this value represents our 2d value. Then our d squared will be 49 over 16, that we have to put on both sides, here and there, and that's our third step. So from here we are going to now introduce the square root to find the value of x. So by solving, we reach on this step, we introduce the square root, which is square root of x plus 7 over 4 both squared is equal to plus minus square root of 1 over 16. Then we have x plus 7 over 4, well, it will be equal to plus minus 1 over 4. That's our fourth step. So the next step will be finding the value of x. Find the value of x, we have to put x on one side and the numbers on the other side. And then at the end, we find x1 will be minus 3 over 2 and x2 will be minus 2. And that's our fifth step. This system is useful is by solving the value, trying to find the value of x, we can easily see the vertex of the graph that we are intending to draw at the end, which will be minus 7 over 4 for x, and y will be minus 1 over 16. Thank you.